Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to look into the special angles of 45 degrees. So here is a question where we need to find the exact value of root 2 cos 45 plus sin 45. So we are supposed to all remember the special angles here, and we know that cos 45 is equals to sin 45, which is nothing but root 2 over 2. We get nothing but 1 over root 2. Then we rationalize the denominator here so that we get root 2 over 2. So we can say this is equals to this right here. We all rationalize. So cos 45 is equals to sin 45. So let us simplify here. Root 2 bracket cos 45 is root 2 over 2 plus sin 45 root 2 over 2. So this is the expression we are having. So here root 2 bracket of the LCM here is nothing but 2. Of course, here is the LCM, which is 2 for these two. So here we get root 2 plus root 2. So root 2 here bracket, we get 2 root 2 all over 2 bracket. So we can simplify right here by cancelling these two. We remain with root 2 bracket root 2. So when we are multiplying root and root, we get nothing but 2. So here is the solution for this expression. So root 2 bracket cos 45 plus sin 45 is nothing but 2. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.